Hello, and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Mike Lakar, and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. Now that the weather is warming up, the CDC is urging all state and local healthcare providers to prepare for potential Zika virus transmission. More than 300 Zika cases have already been reported in the U.S., and the vast majority of them involve patients who became infected while traveling in a country where the virus is circulating. A medical officer in the CDC's Division of Reproductive Health said pharmacists can be a great resource for patients' education on Zika, as many travelers visit their pharmacy beforehand to fill prescriptions, get immunized, or buy OTC medications. Speaking of travel health, a new mobile app may help travelers find appropriate medications abroad. The Convert Drugs Premium app was developed by a French pharmacist who was frustrated with the fact that he wasn't able to help tourists in the pharmacy get the essential medication information they needed. The app allows users to find information in 11 different languages for therapeutically equivalent medications in 220 countries. Currently, it's only available for Apple devices, but it's expected to become available for all mobile devices in the near future. Moving to policy news, pharmacists in Tennessee may soon be permitted to dispense birth control without a prescription. A bill that's headed to the state's House after clearing the Senate would require pharmacists to enter into collaborative practice agreements and complete a training course in order to prescribe contraceptives. If the bill becomes law, Tennessee will join Washington State and Washington, D.C. in allowing pharmacists to distribute hormonal contraception under collaborative practice laws. Meanwhile, pharmacists in California and Oregon have full legal authority to furnish birth control as long as they follow a statewide protocol. With allergy season well underway, pharmacists are likely to receive questions from patients about Children's Nasacort, now that Sanofi has launched a direct-to-consumer campaign for the product. The ad features a child who refers to himself as all stuffed up before using Children's Nasacort and heading outside to play with his friends symptom-free. Back to policy news, recent data show a 40% drop in doctor shopping in West Virginia since 2014, when the state pharmacy board's Controlled Substance Monitoring Program started issuing letters to prescribers and pharmacies involved in suspected cases. The program's administrator said letters are also sent to law enforcement and licensing boards in cases involving drug overdose death where prescribing activity raises suspicion. The pharmacy board sent more than 1,000 letters to prescribers and pharmacists in 2014, which is the same year that the CDC named West Virginia the state with the highest number of prescription drug overdoses. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacists, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Mike Lakar with the Pharmacy Times News Network.